Good evening, everyone. We are starting class now. So, in the today class, we are going to talk about that connectivity using mobile app and how we can control appliance using mobile app that we have discussed yesterday. So, let's get started. So, we are going to use same tool, that is Workview tool, that we are going to use it. So, the tool that we are going to use it, not Workview. So, we are going to use Remote XY. And today we are going to use Bluetooth module. So from the Bluetooth module, how we can control appliance using mobile app without internet. Later on, we are going to use that Wi-Fi connectivity also. So now how we have to set up it, same setup, we have to do it like this button, we have to take it. And then after that switch and their pin mapping, we have to do it via scrolling down. So you are going to find snap to pin that we are connecting it 12 number and this one is for 30 number. Then after that we have to go to the setup. So we are going to click on this cloud server, and in replacement of the cloud we are going to use very simple one, that is Bluetooth. So this one Bluetooth module is easily available, so you can connect it easily. So click over there. Now we have selected. So Bluetooth module, which module we are going to select it over here? That is HC05 Bluetooth module, this one. So this module I'm going to select it over there. So after doing selection, all the setup is okay. Apply it. Now we have to see a few more setup over here, hardware connections, and then over there you can select baud rate. Now the baud rate of the Bluetooth is 9600 as I told you earlier. And over there what we are going to do, that setup we have to do it. Then after that all the setting is okay, and go to view. In the view nothing you have to do it, screen format, no need to do anything over there. Pages, no need to do anything over there. These are the basic setup we have to do in the Bluetooth. Select Bluetooth, Arduino, Bluetooth module and Arduino IDE. So after that we have to go to the source code. So now we are going to generate the source code using Bluetooth. So how Bluetooth is working, what are the Bluetooth connections, that let me share with you so that you can understand how we have to connect Bluetooth module. So what is that Bluetooth module, how it will look like, that I'm just going to share with you. So the Bluetooth module that we are going to use it over here, that is HC05 Bluetooth module. Let me share with you that. So the basic component testing we have done over there. Now we are going to talk about the connectivity. How we can connect different device component over there, and how we can connect it, how we can control appliance using Bluetooth. So that we are going to discuss over here. Yes. So this one is the Bluetooth module that we can use it over here, so that you can see Bluetooth module like this. So in this Bluetooth module, you are going to see there is 4 pins we have to connect it. One is TX, RX, ground, and that we are going to connect it with the Arduino, ground and VCC like this, and TX and RX we have to connect it like this. Then after that, we are going to program in the Arduino, and then we are going to connect this Bluetooth with a mobile app, like we are using Bluetooth for headphone and all that. So in the same way, we are going to connect it. So how we are going to communicate? आपकी communication कैसे होगी? So mobile phone will send the command to the Bluetooth, and Bluetooth will send command to the Arduino, and we will able to control different relay, different appliance, AC appliance, home appliance, whatever you want to control it, that we can control it over there using Bluetooth module. So how we have to connect it? All this setup we are going to share with you. With the help of that, you can control robot also. Any other appliance you want to control it, that also you can control it using Bluetooth module. So that we are going to discuss over here. So for controlling Bluetooth module, which mobile app we are using it, which tool we are using it, so we are going to use Remote XY. And we have designed mobile app over here in a very simple way. From this mobile app, we are going to control it. So go to the source code, all the setup, we have done it. Then after clicking on the source code, you are going to find this setup. Source code, Remote XY library, we have added in the yesterday class. Then SC05 Bluetooth module. Then Remote XY app, we have to install it. So how we have to connect this module? Click over there and you are going to find the connection of Bluetooth module. So the name of this module is SC05 or 06 module. Both are similar module. So there is no big difference. Then after that, you are going to see like these connections over there. So 4 pins are over there. One is VCC, one is ground, then TX and RX. You can see at the bottom VCC, ground, TX and RX. These 4 pins we have to connect with the Arduino. And the baud rate is by default that is given, that is 9600 is a baud rate. So how we are going to connect? So and how to program it? So all the setup that is given. So first of all, we have to select Bluetooth in the Remote XY. And this one is online tool, connect via software serial. When we are connecting software serial, so what we have to do, the TX and RX pin of this Bluetooth module, we have to connect with 2 number and 3 number pin in the Arduino. And when we are going to connect it as a hardware connections, hardware serial, so over there we have to select the TX and RX pin on 0 and 1 number pin. Right now we have set up it on the 0 and 1 number pin. So now over there you can see these are the connections that we have to do with the Arduino. Simple Arduino, you can take it, and Bluetooth module you can take it, and you will able to do that connections. So after that we have to program it. So how we have to write the code? As I told you earlier also, we are going to see this code. This code is generated automatically. You can copy this code, and this code we are going to paste it in the Arduino software. Paste it, right click, copy it, and you can open Arduino software. Over there I'm going to open new program, delete previous code, and paste your new code. So this code I'm going to paste it over here, same to same code, no need to modify anything. Then after that, after pasting this code, you have to verify the code. If the code is okay and that is working in the software, after that you have to do connection on the hardware. So I'm just going to share with you my hardware connection, that how the Bluetooth we have connected it. So compilation is going on. Meanwhile, you can see in the camera also. Okay. So now over there you can see this one is Arduino Uno that we are using it now. Arduino Uno, and we are going to connect it with the Bluetooth module, this one, the same SC05 that we are going to connect it like this. So this one we are going to connect it using 4 wires. So 4 pins we are taking it over here, 4 wire we can call it, and we are connecting it with the Arduino like this. So 0 and 1 number, these are VCC and ground, these are 0 and 1 number pin. So after doing that connections, what we have to do, we have to program this board. We have to upload the code in this board. That is the first step that we have to do it. So I'm going to connect USB cable with my computer and with the Arduino board. Now, so this one is get connected. So after doing that, one more thing we have to take care. Whenever we are connecting TX and RX pin, that we have to remove it for uploading the code. So after uploading code again, we can connect those TX and RX pin. Right now, I just remove TX and RX pin, and you can see Bluetooth will start blinking like this. It shows that your VCC and grounds are connected properly. So camera screen is visible to everyone. You can give your response. Camera is visible to everyone. The Bluetooth LED is blinking. That is visible to everyone. Okay, that's great. That's great. So now what we are going to do it over here, we are going to upload the code first. Then after that, we are going to control any appliance from this Arduino board. So I will connect one LED on the 13 and 12 number pin. So this one is one small LED that I'm having right now. This one I'm going to connect it with the positive on the ground and the negative on the 12 number pin. So that connection I have done it over here. Okay. So positive on 30 number and negative on ground. So in that way we have to make the connections. So that connection I have done over there with the 30 number pin. So now after that we are going to upload the code. So for uploading the code, what we have to do, we have to go to this tool, and we are going to check it out over here. So we are going to check it out in the tool, the port. Board is Arduino Uno and port. Port is now visible. That is COM124. That is Arduino Uno. Select it. So we are going to select this port, and after that we are going to check it out. Port is selected. Now you can upload the code using this button. So when we are going to click it, it will ask about the save the project. I'm not going to save it. Directly I'm going to upload the code. So code uploading is going on. Once the code will start uploading, these LED will blink. This TX and RX LED will blink. Again, I'm uploading code to show that how the LED will blink. So there is two LED. Those are TX and RX LED that will start blinking like this, like this. So uploading is done. You can see over here in the bottom. So uploading is done. So after that, what we have to do, we have to connect those TX and RX pin. Those TX and RX pin that I have removed from the Bluetooth to this Arduino board, that I'm going to connect it again. So I connected it, the TX and RX pin. So after that, again your Bluetooth is blinking. So what next you have to do now, you have to use your mobile app, whatever app you have designed it. So for that, you have to go to mobile app and you have to check it out how it is working. So right now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to show you in the mobile phone that how mobile app we have to do setup so that you can use it. So I'm going in the mobile app. So first of all, I'm just sharing mobile screen so that you can see it. Okay, so now I'm just going to share with you mobile screen so that you can see that screen and how we can use it over here. Okay, so now I think mobile screen is visible to everyone. So we have to go to the Play Store, and from the Play Store we have to install that mobile app with the name of Remote XY. That is freely available. This one is a mobile app that we are going to install it. That is Remote XY. I have installed it already. We have to open it. Now you are going to find that setup. When you are going to use it first time, you are going to find empty like this. So we have to click on that plus button at the right top, plus button, and you are going to find these connections. So we are going to connect it using that third option. You can see it, second option, that is Bluetooth. Click over there and you are going to find over there that is select Bluetooth 2.0, Bluetooth like this, BLE low energy. So I'm going to select first one Bluetooth and allow this to connect it. Allow from the bottom over here. It will enable my Bluetooth. And then after that, I'm going to check it out all the available Bluetooth device that is available or not. So I'm going to check it out my device in the mobile app. So we have to wait for a few moments and it will search all the available device. So it's saying that SC06. Click over there and it start connecting. So it asking about the password. So you can use 1234 by default password and connect it. 1234. Now you can see whatever mobile app I have designed that is visible over here. And now I will able to control my appliance also on the Arduino board. So if you are able to see the computer's camera, so that you can see, I'm just going to turn on LED that is turning on. Turn it off, turn it on. From mobile app, I'm controlling that light in the Arduino board that is connected LED. In replacement of the LED, you can connect any AC appliance also using relay. So on it, off it. That is visible to everyone, yes and no? So in that way, you can control the appliance. So right now I'm having mobile phone that is little bit far away. So that we can control up to 10 meters. The range of the Bluetooth is approximate 10 meters and we will able to control appliance like this on, off, and very fast response we are getting it. So from this pin, we will able to control 12 number pin from upper button. I'm going to connect LED on the 12 number pin so that we can control that 12 number pin also. Okay. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to connect that 12 number pin. Now you can see pressing the button, LED turning on like this. So multiple pins you can set up it over here. Multiple buttons you can set up it in the mobile app and you will be able to control the appliance. When we are controlling it, so what you are going to see over here, the LED on the Bluetooth is now that is not blinking when the Bluetooth is get connected. Again, repeating how you can connect with the mobile app. So I'm going to disconnect it. So again, we have to click on plus button, select the Bluetooth and Bluetooth 2.0, and you have to search the available Bluetooth devices. So you are going to find your Bluetooth device with the name of that should be SC06, SC05 or SC06. You are going to find it, select it, and then after that you are going to find over there the same setup whatever you have designed it. So now you will able to control appliance like this same way, very fast process, and you can set up your password also that you can do in the code. So I'm now coming to computer screen how we can get password and all those setup. So be with me. Okay, so now all the password setup we can do it using mobile like that desktop computer. So over here we can set up password and each and everything whatever that is required. So now I'm just going to show that password where we can set up it. Go to the editor, and in the editor what we are going to do, you can see access password. This password we can set up it like I'm just going to set password 1234, and then again we have to generate source code. This code again we have to upload it in the Arduino, then this password will be get updated over there. So this code we have to copy it. So whatever changes we are doing it, so that change can be get reflected in the mobile app. So copy this code and paste it in the Arduino, and you can upload this code. So this code I'm going to upload it over here in the Arduino board, and after uploading code, that again I'm going to get that mobile app and going to check it out it is connecting or not. So uploading is done. So after uploading we are going to check it out that this mobile password is working or not. Is anyone can access my mobile app or that is secure or not. So now I'm just going to share with you mobile screen again. Yes. So now over there, you can open your mobile app that is earlier we were using this one. So now we have to click on the plus button over there. Plus button, we are going to connect it. And then we have to go to the option over here, Bluetooth. Select Bluetooth and Bluetooth 2.0. Now we have to wait for the Bluetooth, that is SC06, that should be visible over there. Now that is visible. Select it. Now it is by default that is working, but password is not working over here. Let me check it again. So first of all, I'm going to disconnect that Bluetooth. Again, I'm going to make that Bluetooth on, plus Bluetooth, allow Bluetooth to turn on, allow. So let me see the SC06 connecting. So it is not asking password. Let me check again the password setup. Why it is not asking password? So unpaired it and I paired it again. Again, let me check it out. What is the issue over there? Might be the code is not updated properly. So let me share screen of computer. Okay. So now we are going to see again that mobile app editor. And over there, the password, access password, we have set up it. How much that is required? Let me take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this one is access password in the setting, hardware serial, view, that is okay, vertical. Okay, now we have to see the code. In the code, that password is being set up or not to access the mobile app. So this code variable, we are taking it. So password, I think not set up over here. Yes, password is being get set up. Remote XY access password is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is being get set up over there. Now let me copy this code and check it out. That is working or not. So I'm going to copy this code. And after that, I'm going to paste it in the Arduino. Delete this code and paste our new code. And you can check over there also. Sometime while pasting, we are not able to get proper code. So then after that, we have to upload the code. So we are going to upload this code in the Arduino. So after uploading code, what you can do, you can connect like Bluetooth, their wiring. Like earlier, I have discussed connection and disconnections. So that we have done it over here. Now we have to go to the mobile screen and mobile app. So I'm going to share my mobile screen. Over there, I'm going to open that mobile app that is disconnected. Now you can see. So now what we are going to do, click on the plus button, Bluetooth, Bluetooth. It will search it, synchronize it as 06, but I think that is connecting again. By default, it is connecting. It's saying some error over there. Receiving configuration over there and saying error, timeout error, configuration error. So let me check anything like disconnect device setting, board not reply, close. So again, what I'm going to do, trying to connect it. Because the Bluetooth password that we have already set up, that is SC05 password is 1, 2, 3, 4. Receiving configurations. But again trying. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pair this device again in my Bluetooth. So I'm going to forget this device and pair. And then I'm going to use over here. Yes, I'm just going to unpair it. And again, I'm going to pair it. So click over there, pair it. And the password, we have to use it over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me check if that password is being get updated or not. Failed to pin is incorrect. Okay, let me pair it again. So wait for a moment, we are scanning the device. Yes, SC05. So I'm just going to use 1234 password and going to save it and going to pair it. That is the password of the Bluetooth. Now we have to check the password over here in the mobile app. So close. I'm going to close this mobile app and going to open it again. So search over here, that is remote XY in your mobile phone. Open it and click on the plus, Bluetooth, Bluetooth, SC06. Device starting, device connected, receiving timeout error. That is not connected right now. So that password, it is not asking about the password. Also, it should ask about the password. Device setting. Name is okay. Everything is okay. New log. Disconnected. So again, I'm going to trying to connect it. Close. Bluetooth. So the password I'm going to change it again from over here. Might be the password length is little bit higher or something like that. Some issue is there in the password. So that's why now we are not able to connect it. So again, I'm going back in the configurations and going to modify that password over here. So go back, editor. So this one is background color configuration. We have done it. Screen. So I'm just moving little bit this mobile app so that you can see what changes we have done it. Setting. Access password is this one. Hardware serial. All other thing is same. So let me take it only 4321 4321. So that password should be asked by mobile app, but this one is not asking over here. Okay. Then I'm going to get the source code. Copy this code. Then we have to go to this sketch, delete previous code and paste your new code. And after that, you can upload that code. So this code we are going to upload it. So password we have set up it 4321 over here. 4321. So uploading is done. So after uploading, we are going to check it out. This app is working or not. Okay. So same way we have to go to the mobile screen to check it out. And now over there, the same mobile app, we are going to open it. Remote XY, Bluetooth. Same setup we are doing it and we are testing it. SC06. Yes, now it is asking password. So we are going to use later 4321. This one is the password. If you want to save it, that also you can do it. Now, not now. And now it is get connected. Now you can see it. So on the camera, I'm just going to share with you that how that is visible. Okay, so that will work in the same way like all the setup we have done earlier. So you can see like when I'm going to press the button, light will be turned on over there in that way. So pressing the button, light is turning on and off. So the setup we have done it over here in the code, and that setup you can see it over here. What setup we have done? So we have done nothing. Just we have used that setup, the code, and over here in the code you can see is we are pressing the button from that mobile app. We will able to control it like this, on off. So the security we have given over there. So we have set up the password over there in the mobile app so that any other person cannot access it. So that password we can change it timely manner also if you want to change it. So for that you have to upload the code again. But without uploading code, you have to set secure your password. No need to tell to anyone. Only you can provide that password to the user, authenticated user. They can be your household or anyone, which one you want to share your password so that they can access the mobile app and they can control the appliance over there. You have connected your Arduino board like machine, any your home appliance, your TV, your fan, AC, whatever appliance you want to control it at your home, that you can do it over there. So that is all about this mobile app that is very simple and very user friendly. That is Remote XY mobile app. And in this mobile app, all the tutorial also available. So you can go to the example, and in the example, you can find all the tutorial like flashing LED using a smartphone, that you can get it. All the setup, how you have to do it, complete setup, you can get it using this step by step. How code you have to generate it, how you have to connect the Bluetooth module, so complete tutorial you can get it over there. And if you want to make a mobile app over there, that also you can make it. So over there you can find mobile app with the robot car with control of mobile app. So that also you can make it like servo motor you want to control it, any robotics arm, anything else you want to control it, like temperature you want to monitor it. These are the socket of your home appliance that you want to control it. That also you can control it over there using this Bluetooth feature of mobile app. For that you have to connect relay module for the two socket, two relay module, and you have to connect it like this. All the connection is also given, relay module, power cable, and you can connect AC supply over there with the socket like this. So that is the connection of relay module. So now in that way, you can see how Bluetooth you have to connect with the Arduino. This one is a relay module. This one is a power supply adapter for 12 volt, because this Arduino board require 12 volt and it will give that Bluetooth to 5 volt. So that is the software setup on off. You can do it like this. So complete tutorial also you can get it over here. Now we are going to sum up this class over here. If you're having that hardware, you can try it and you can start building some project based on that. That project you can submit in your college also, that is Bluetooth based. And then next step is that you can connect Wi-Fi, and that Wi-Fi module you can connect over there, and you can connect with the IoT also. That we will share with any other class, because right now that Wi-Fi module I'm having, that is not working. So after 1 week I will able to share that another Wi-Fi module. So one class we can take it later on using that Wi-Fi module also, using IoT cloud also. So now we are going to sum up this session over here. Thank you so much. If there is any doubt, any queries, you can ask over here. So thank you so much. We are going to sum up this class over here.